Okay, next box up, I think we're gonna do this Force Awakens stuff. I've been dying to try that. It's so short printed, or not short printed, it's just was so allocated that just dying to rip open one of these boxes and see what's inside. Spoilers, if you haven't seen the movie, maybe you should stop viewing now. 2 hits per box, 2x per box, and let's see what we got inside. Okay, Finn, Thug, Tibo walks away, a blue of that dude, insert of some sort. Okay, so basically we got one blue, one green, and insert and some base. So this is what the inserts kind of look like. Resistance Pilots, number 18 of 20. That's a green, one of those per pack. I don't know if we get one of those per pack, but one of those not numbered. A blue of Admiral Statura, also not numbered. I think there's only 2 numbered parallels in this stuff anyway, so. Okay. Medallion, sketches, autographs, cleaning plates, all works. Mark. Poe and BB-8 insert. Got a Han Solo blaster. And another green. Got a blue Han Solo. And whatever that is, blue goggles. Insert. It's like an Ollie Moss painting or something. Free pack of Star Wars digital trading cards, and a green Han Solo. Blue Han Solo and a green Han Solo. Got a purple Constable dude. Set of Heroes insert card. Resistance Briefing insert card. Green First Order Flame Trooper. Alright, we got a blue First Order Flame Trooper. A Flame Trooper insert of some sort. That's called First Order inserts. A locations insert. Ray. And a green Poe. Got an insert of Flame Trooper. Collect all 8. Nope, Stormtrooper, sorry. Got a Poe insert. Concept art. Lots of insert sets in this stuff, looks like. And a green little alien dude. Got a blue of that guy. Got a JJ and Daisy insert. Another one of those concept inserts. And another green guy. Seems like half the pack is full of inserts. Oh, something shiny's in here. Looks like it might be a printing plate, and I think it is. I don't know if you can see that, but anyway, shiny. Let's see what it is. Got a cool Kelleran insert. Neat. Got a Guardian Death Gang insert. And we got a printing plate of, oh cool, Finn, neat. And that is a magenta printing plate. This, get that thing into focus there. There we go. Number 17. Card number 17 of Finn. 1 of 1. Printing plate. Pretty cool. Imagine those are somewhat tough to find. Put Finn over there. Actually, we'll put Finn in a top loader. And then we'll put him over here. Okay. Got a blue Captain Phasma, another free pack of Star Wars digital cards. Got a purple Tito Walks Away after he tries to capture BB-8. I think the grace period for Star Wars should be over. I mean, it's, what day is it, Monday? It's been out for 3 days. If you're a Star Wars fan, you should have seen it by now. Alright. Got a blue Uncler Plut and a green Colonel Datu. Whoops. There goes the breakers camera. There we go. Got a Finn. Ooh, we got a gold. That's gold, baby. George Costanza. Oh, that's number 2. Number 2, a hundo. That would be, what is that, 68? 68 to 100. Doesn't want to grab it. And a green. Let's show the gold off to the YouTubers. A gold, the finalizer. Dun 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 dun. We'll put the gold in a sleeve too. Have to check the odds on these golds, see if you get, what is it, 1 per box, or... Let's take a look real quick here. Blue, purple, gold, 1 every 19. Printing plates seem much more rare though. I got a blue Poe, got a blaster of, oh, it's a flamethrower, and a green first order. Seems like you get a green and a blue every pack. I'm sure one is more rare than the other, but for the most part. Got a purple Finn, and another green. So maybe it's a green in every pack and a blue in every other or something. BB-8, blue, and green. This one's extra thick. Let's see what's inside here. Really, really good and thick. I know there's medallions, and I know there's Stormtrooper relics, medallion of Stormtrooper, and I know some of the medallions are short printed. So, only 3 cards in here, and it is Captain Phasma, medallion, and Uncler Plut. These are really heavy. Like the Galactic Files 2 ones, medallions. Only I think these are pretty cooler. I'll show you real quick. And this is M41. I think there's something like 60-something different medallions, so I'm not 100% sure on that. But there's a checklist on Cardboard Connection, and it even says which ones are short printed. So if you need that information, just head over there. Get a top loader for that in a minute. Again, I got some of this product. I got a lot of the Star Wars tech, and even more coming in tomorrow. So, I got Star Wars stuff if you need it. I also got some Dynasty here in front of me, and some Black Diamond Hockey. Whatever you're into. Purple. Oh. Green. I guess golds are 1 every 19, so technically you get a couple of those per box if you're lucky. I thought the golds would be numbered to 50 though. Numbered to 100. Blue. General Hux. Green. This should be a fun set to put together. Another purple. You guessed it. Miss Carrie Fisher. Purple. Princess Leia. General Leia. Okay. Blaster and a green, and we got 2 packs left. I wanted to do a recap and come back for some more. Blue and green, and last pack. Let's finish it off here. Purple, it's Trap, and green, Prester, Omlin. Some of these names are terrible, hard to pronounce. Okay, recapping. Medallion, Captain Phasma. Looks like bronze, just the regular deal. I think there's probably gold and silver of those too. I'm not 100% sure on that. But got a gold base, the Finalizer, numbered out of 100. That's numbered 68 of 100. And that's what that card looks like. Can't miss those. And then I think our coolest card was Finn. Printing plate, pink, magenta. Show that off. He's just chilling. He's just kind of saying what's up. And again, if you need any more of this, if you need this product, just shoot me over an email or hop over to our website at beehivesportscards.com. Thanks for watching. See ya.